Welcome everyone to the foremost episode of India's first business acceleration show, A Business for You. I'm KBP, your host for today. We're going to discuss a few businesses today that are looking for expansion, understand the philosophy, their nature of business, the current progress, and the future plans. This will help you analyze the business if it's a good fit for you. Stay tuned because you never know, this might be a business for you. Coming up is a futuristic company dealing with robots who's looking for dealers across the country. One of the most predominant problems our businesses face is manpower. And it's an irony that a country as vast and populous as ours has to say so. This business we're going to talk about now is looking for dealers across the country and is providing an amazing solution for this. Presenting Prospero.
I'm Ritesh Ved and founder of Prospero Enterprises. We deal with different kinds of robots. The first one being a delivery robot. We have hotel robots. We have got the guidance and greeting robot, telepresence robot, and the cleaning robots. The delivery robots are the most popular ones and it can be used in multiple business domains. Now these autonomous delivery robots are so smart that it can guide a customer and take care of the multiple tasks of delivering the food and also collecting the payments from different end users. The hotel robots, popularly also known as the in-room service robots, are intelligent technology robots where it can provide in-room service, and these are targeted mostly for 5-star hotels and hospitals by providing a continuous delivery of food or medicine 24/7. It can also take elevator on its own and does not require any human intervention when it takes the elevator, and also gives you a call when it is about to reach your room to give your delivery service. The greeter and guider robot are the most popular ones, which can be used in multiple business domains. They can be used as a smart salesman, a robotic receptionist, or a robotic concierge desk, shopping malls, hospitals, airports, educational sector. The telepresence robot is also known as the avatar robots, which helps you in getting your work done easier even if you're not physically available. These robots are widely used in medical industry, hospital, educational sectors, and events industry. Our cleaning robots autonomously cleans commercial areas starting from 5,000 square feet to 1 lakh square feet, and also has the capability of taking the elevators on its own. Now these cleaning robots are targeted for big commercial spaces such as shopping malls, hospital, corporate offices, and airports. Our robots are based on robust Japanese technology, and we provide customized solutions to our clients based on their needs and requirements. Now we are looking to collaborate and join hands with dealers pan-India. To become a dealer of Prospero, the prerequisites are that you have to be into an existing business, having a space of 500 to 1000 square feet, which will give you an added advantage of giving a demonstration of the robots. Also, you will require a minimum investment of 15 to 20 lakhs. The range of our robots starts from 6 lakhs and goes up to 15 lakhs based on the different models, and dealers can earn revenue either by leasing it out or by selling it. A dealer can earn a margin of 10% up to 30% based on the different robots that they are selling, starting from 50,000 going up to 2 lakhs a month. And if a dealer is able to sell 6 robots in a year, he can earn up to 12 lakh rupees easily. We are looking to appoint 20 dealers in the next 1.5 years. We are targeting to grow our network by joining hands with dealers from the 6 metro cities, followed by appointing dealers in the 2-tier and the 3-tier cities. And our aim is to sell 100 robots by 2020.
Very interesting. I thought robots would replace manpower, but that's not the case. Seems like they are going to help us work more efficiently. So to discuss this further, we have with us 3 amazing personalities who would talk to us about the business and tell us if it's a great one to get into. So pleased to have on board Mr. Anil Kumar, a business coach, Mr. Tarun Arora, actor and model, and Mr. Ajay Bundela, a business consultant. Thank you guys for coming to our show. We have a special guest with us today. He is bringing something for us.
That's great.
Wow, that's nice.
Oh wow, we have biscuits.
Absolutely. Thank you, Mr. Robot. Anil, what do you think of Prospero and the kind of robots they offer to us?
Something that we thought is very high tech is coming to your doorstep in your day-to-day life to improve your quality of life as well as the productivity. Overall, it sounds very interesting to me, and yes, definitely looking forward to these kind of products coming to our life in the future.
Thank you very much, Anil. Tarun,
I can think of Star Wars movies, something on that lines.
Yes.
Because this is something, when we, as a kid, we had watched it in films. Now looking at something becoming reality is really amazed. And I also look at the population of our country and feel sad if they replace, what will happen to the Aam Janta?
Yeah.
There are a couple of things going on in my mind.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. Ajay, what do you think?
So I think this is the future. Absolute kudos to Prospero for doing a wonderful job in getting this enabling activity done for all of us. So yeah, Mr. Robot is going to be the next big thing for all of us in our lives.
Thank you for the input. We have a few parameters in front of you. Go through them. And I would want you to attribute the parameters you feel are appropriate for the business. Anil, let's start with you.
Being a robotic business, definitely it is uncommon and unique. And being a future tech oriented business, definitely it is a growth oriented business, innovative oriented business. So market is always there. It definitely is a profitable business as well, no doubt about that. And the business model I found was also interesting and useful for someone who is already in business to actually have another vertical in this tech oriented business. So that's what I feel.
Uniqueness, growing market, the business model, and profitability. You can attribute them for this company. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Tarun.
Well, I agree. The uniqueness about this product is what it makes it stand out. It's very different. Also, I have a personal interest. I'm very fond of the founder. Okay, Ritesh. I can see there is a lot of growth to this business because as I see, it can do skilled things, and skilled labor is always appreciated and is
Absolutely. Okay, so that will be like it's unique. It's into a growing market. It is very customer centric, and obviously because you love the kind of a business model, it is of personal interest to you. Brilliant. Thank you so much. Ajay, what about you?
So I think we are talking of future, and this is the sunshine industry. So getting robots into our life, so there is a market. So I think there's a big market which has to be looked at in terms of tapping in. Certainly competition not there as yet. So I personally think that this is going to be Prospero's trump card of actually being a first mover in doing this. We'll bet on the founder because the founder, his vision will surely make this business take a leap. And certainly this is going to address the wow factor from a customer. So that's going to be there. And last but not the least, technology, my personal interest. So I'm going to watch for that.
So that's competition. Yes, I agree that I like the founder's vision and very customer centric. Completely agree that it's going to address a lot of issues in a lot of markets. And yes, I'm a great fan of technology front too. So I would want you all to give us your opinion, throw some small nuggets of your wisdom on what do you think the takers of this business will get if they choose Prospero as a dealership of Prospero. So go on, Anil, what do you think?
The application of this product in commercial as well as in personal life is really, really amazing or remarkable. So your customer's satisfaction or the customer's delight is already built in, and therefore definitely it's going to be an easily saleable kind of a business, though it is high, costly, expensive and all. I feel definitely it's a future business and it's a future oriented business, and therefore it should work for anybody who is very passionate about technology.
Thank you. Tarun, what do you have to say?
I agree with Anil. These kind of machines or robots can also share a lot of emotional baggage.
Thank you for your insights. Ajay.
The business model is very lucrative, which means it will have good margins and of course good profits. The model is going to help the franchise to build more customers. And because this is going to be customer centric, I think it will attract more sales. So overall put together, it's going to be a niche product, a great founder, and profits for the franchise holder.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. So what I found interesting out here is you don't really need an entirely new setup altogether. So when Ritesh was talking about having an existing business take on this one, so all you need is some bit of an extra space like 150, 200 SFT and just add this product as a part of your existing business. That's another great, so it's a collaborative approach. You don't really need to look at it like a completely new business. I thought someone who's already into business can take the dealership and just place a couple of robots. So it's very, very lucrative on that front too, because your initial capital expense is going to be very, very low. That's another thing I thought will suit someone who's willing to take this dealership. So here is the summary of that business for our viewers.
Prospero Enterprises is looking for dealers across the country. The dealer should be running an existing business having 500 to 1000 SFT space in the existing premises. Margins range from 10% to 30% depending on the robot. At an average sale of 6 robots in a year, the dealer can earn up to 12 lakhs. Lease and sale put together, they can earn up to 20 lakhs a year. The payback period is less than 12 months. To explore the opportunity, please use the contact information mentioned below. See you all in the next episode for another exciting business opportunity.